Okay, in this video we will study an alternative method to solve the Cauchy Euler equation, and the alternative method is that there is only a one substitution, and with that substitution, one substitution, you can convert the complete equidimensional equation into a simple equation and then solve it accordingly. So there is only one substitution, and that substitution is x equals to e to the power t. With that substitution you can solve it and convert it. So we will do it with the help of example. So example, x square y double dash minus x y dash plus y equals to natural log of x. Okay, so substitution is x, let x equals to e to the power t. Natural log of x is equal to t. By using the natural log property, exponential property, it is like this. So if we take the differential derivative, it differentiated with respect to x, that becomes dt by dx, and this becomes 1 by x. And again, if I replace this dy by dx, because we have to convert this y double dash is d2y by dx square, and this y dash is dy by dx. I am writing here, that means d2y by dx square, and y dash is dy by dx. So you have the concern with this dy by dx and d2y by dx. So what will dy by dx become? Dy by dx, you have to use the chain rule, and chain rule is dy by dt into dt by dx. So dt by dx is 1 by x, so I am replacing dy by dt. Now your equation is completely transforming into y by dy by dt. So t here is becoming the independent variable, and here it is 1 by x. Okay, and also for the second derivative, d2y by dx square, d by dx of dy by dt into 1 by x. For that you have to use the product rule, because there is one derivative and one is the other one is a function. So for that you have to use the chain rule, derivative of one. I am using the chain rule, dt by dx, and the second function is as it is, and also d by dx of the second function into dy by dt, first function, as it is. So that becomes d by dt of dy by dt makes it d2y by dt square. dt by dx is 1 by x into 1 by x, that makes it 1 by x square, plus d by dx is x to the power minus 1, so its derivative is minus 1 by x square, so that makes it minus 1 by x square into dy by dt. So I can take it common, and common term is 1 by x square, so that makes it 1 by x square d2y by dt square minus dy by dt. So these are the derivatives, and we have to replace these derivatives in this equation. So I have written these dy by dx and d2y by dx square to use in this equation. So I am replacing these values in terms of y double dash and y dash and x square. Y double dash means this value 1 by x square d2y by dt square minus dy by dt, minus x. Y dash means dy by dx, and that means 1 by x dy by plus y, and natural log of x is simple t, as our assumption. Cancels x square and x cancels this, and your equation has reduced to d2y by dt square. Now x is completely eliminated, and there is only one independent variable, that is t. So d2y by dt minus dy by dt minus dy by dt plus y equals to t. So that makes it minus 2y by. So this is a simple equation. Now we can construct auxiliary equation from it. Y double dash minus 2y dash plus 2y equals to t. You can also construct an annihilator operator out of this. So annihilator operator is m square d square minus 2d plus 1, and for that annihilator operator you have to go one step up. So that annihilator operator is d square equals to 0. You can also use the undetermined coefficients method to solve it, but I feel that annihilator operator is more feasible for me. So by solving this root, that becomes a complete square of d minus 1 whole square, and that is d square equals to 0. D square m1 repeated roots, here are repeated roots, 2 repeated roots there are, and one is, yes, one is m1 is 0, m2 is 0 is 1, and m4 is 1. So there are 4 terms out of this, and y c1 e to the power t plus c2 into t e to the power t plus e to the power 0 plus c4 into t. That makes it natural log of x, as t is equal to natural log of x. Instead of t and e to the power t, I am replacing x, so that becomes c1 e to the power t is x plus c2 t is natural log of x, e to the power t is x, plus c3 is simple c3 plus c4, and t is natural log of x. So that is the solution of this given. If you have any question, you can ask me.